Hello YouTube, this is Noir from DaretoBeCreative. How you wonderful people doing today? Hope you're having an awesome, wonderful day. It is nighttime here. It's a little chilly, and but not too bad. It's still cold. It's always warming inside. But anyway, I did get one of my online orders in the mail, and I got this from acherryontop. And so I just ordered the new Spectrum Noir markers, the new colors, and a couple of nibs. So let's just jump right in there. So they gave me another little badge, which I like these because I'm going to use these in some of my stuff. So this is my second one of that. Stuck to the page if I can get it off. Anyway, I will have to figure out. It's taped down really nice. But anyway, so they had some nibs. I just bought 2 packs of the refills of the nibs. They had the broad tip, the fine point, and the chisel, whatever you call it. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about, people. Thanks for all my subscribers that continue to rock with me and chilling with me in the new year. And to all my new people as well. Hope you like the channel, like and subscribe, and hit the follow notification button again. And check out the rest of my stuff. You'll see hauls as well as a lot of my stuff that I do, layouts. I know there's more people watch the hauls than the other stuff, but there's still craft stuff up here. So let's see what the colors are. These are called the classics because they're like the original shapes or whatever. So these are the new colors, and this is the hint of, what's the name of it? Exquisite Pastels. So they're finally naming the colors as well as giving them numbers. So Peach Saffron, Blue Slate, Yellow Tint, Gossamer, Chiffon, and Water Lily. And then this one is Chic Neutrals. And we have Alabaster, Green Gray, Brown Gray, Frosted Peach, Parchment, and Blue Gray. And most of the numbers I'm noticing have the number 5 on these. So, but they didn't match any of the numbers that I had. Lemon Zest, Celery, Iris, Pearl, Rose Petal, and Pale Fig. And this one is called Delicate Florals. And I believe these were $14.50 a pack, I think it was. So slightly over $2, I think, for each one. Yeah, because it would have been $12 if it was, for 2 each, whatever. Tinted neutrals, and so this is Spa Green, Mint Teal, Soft Khaki, Toasted Almond, Cappuccino, and Breezy Blue. I love how they name colors. Elegant Hues, and in this one we have Honey, Pale Moonlight, Blue Porcelain, Seashell, Ocean Mist, and Cool Aqua. And in this one we have Beverly Brights, and with the Beverly Brights we have Rose Blush, Soft Lime, Light Mauve, Cantaloupe, Apple Blossom, and Powder Pink. And again, all of these have the number 5 with them. And so I already showed you from Simon Says I got another one of the tray sets. I got them in black this time. So I'll be putting them in there. Got to figure out where I want to put it next to the other one, which is the clear set. But I have the black set now to put these in. But I think I'm going to move it maybe onto my table. I don't know. But anyway, so I'm excited to get these, to play with these. So that was just a little quick little small little haul from them. So if you hadn't seen the new colors, and if you're the original ones, they're called the classics. So anyway, thanks you guys. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.